Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the 5-pack Hot Wheels Flame series. In this is a 65 Chevy Impala, a 69 Camaro, 66 Chevy Nova, 67 Shelby GT500 and a custom 77 Dodge van. The artwork on the back of this box is pretty awesome. It really looks like that Chevy Nova. It's pretty cool coloring that green. I really like these cars. Let's rip straight into it. Let's just get it all out. They're pretty awesome looking, all of them. I really like this 5-pack. Yeah. Okay, let's start off with the Chevy Impala in this gold color with the sort of yellow-green flames up and down the sides with the gold wheels. It's a pretty awesome car, and it sits so low to the ground. I don't know, I just love it. It's so cool. Look at it. Next up, we've got the 69 Camaro. It's a soft top, obviously, because the top is down. It's got that cream interior, nicely detailed. Got those big fat wheels at the back, so the back sits up a little bit higher, and it's in a metallic brown color. Pretty beastie looking car. I really like this one, even though I usually like top-on cars. This is pretty cool. Next, it's a 66 Chevy Nova. This is the art on the back of the card as well. I don't know, this screen is pretty cool, and it's got like green window to go with it. Another one sits low to the ground, like it's been lowered. It's a pretty cool car. Next, it's the 67 Shelby GT500. This car looks pretty stock standard to me. Just got those flames up and down on both sides. Red interior, pretty awesome looking. Nice car with those red wheels. Yeah, I really like this one. Now we've got the custom 77 Dodge van. I know I say cool and awesome a lot, but this van is freaking awesome. I love it. And all the flames up the sides, the yellow wheels, the orange windows, and that roof cutout. It is so cool. I really love this car. Okay, don't forget the thumbs up and your comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone!